Good morning from Adilabad. We're just outside Adilabad and a beautiful bridge I found on the way back to Bangalore before Hyderabad. Yo, that was Sandeep. He was behind me, he was fueling up, so I just took a quick stop. So welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and we have another last day of ride from Adilabad back to Bangalore, which is about 770 kilometers, 770 to be precise. Should take us about 10 hours, should be home by evening. Stay tuned as we explore this route from Adilabad through Hyderabad and Bangalore. Cheers. So that is Godavari river, the bridge and the dam, and Sri Ram Sagar Reservoir is the name of the dam. Sri Ram Sagar Reservoir. This is near to Adilabad. So I don't think I've been on this road, but I've not noticed it. I've not taken a shot before. Again, my gloves are falling off. Sri Godavari River Dam, and that's the bridge we're crossing. Beautiful bridge, very windy, so I couldn't get a very good drone shot. And the weather, it's so amazing. Love it, love it. Here we come, Hyderabad. Next couple of hours we should be in Hyderabad city, and then homeward bound Bengaluru it is. Stay tuned, boys and girls. Well, the time right now, it's about 9 a.m. Another 60 odd kilometers to go to Hyderabad. Weather is still beautiful from morning. It stopped raining. The roads are dry, as you can see. Very windy and cool. Super to ride. So we're going to be stopping at Hyderabad for breakfast, and from there head towards Bangalore. Stay tuned. Well, it's bumper to bumper traffic in Hyderabad city, and people cannot take the alternate road. They are forced to enter and drive through the city. Crazy it is. All the time is made up on the highway, the building there. Oh my God, see the traffic. It goes on 6 kilometers. It says red, completely red. For the next 3.5 kilometers. It's gonna be like comfortable for office going traffic for us traveling from outside town, not necessary. We should make an alternative plan. Road condition is behind me. It's difficult to keep up in this traffic. Entered some gullies of Hyderabad to avoid that crazy traffic jam. This was showing blue, again it became red. It's a fight to get out of the city. Crazy fight. This is the Begumpet metro station. We are on the flyover, but the traffic is so slow moving. Hyderabad has equally bad traffic as Bangalore, or if not worse. Crazy, it is crazy. So finally managed to get out of this city and peak hour on a Monday morning. Crazy traffic. And Bangalore is about 540 kilometers more from here. Here we come, home stretch. Been on this road many a times. Hyderabad, Bangalore should be a piece of cake to be done with. Wow, Krishna River again. This is near Kurnool. Check out the bridge. They made an island in the middle of the river. Beautiful, beautiful. The river is absolutely running to the brim, full. I think there's heavy current, that's why it's got the brownish texture. It's pulling all the water, I mean the mud from around. That is Krishna River near Kurnool. Well, one more bridge for the Krishna River. This is Palamnar. Next we have Anantapur coming up, and then Bagepalli, which is in Karnataka border town, and then we hit Chikballapur and Bangalore. So we're not very far away. The time right now is 1:40 and should be another 375 kilometers more to reach home. So we should be home before 7. Kilometers Bangalore. Kadapa 189, Tirupati 331, Bengaluru 347. This is Anantapur. Just before we hit Karnataka, a small river, and the time right now it's almost 3. We are about 230 kilometers from Bangalore. Another 100 kilometers will be in Karnataka. Namma Karnataka. Beautiful lake. This is close to Penagonda. Last bit of Andhra before we enter Karnataka. All the hills around look so goddamn beautiful. So this is the Penagonda Kia factory. Massive factory. Must be 100 acres. Finally arriving in Bangalore. You can see Nandi Betta and dark clouds. There's been a lot of rains, I heard, in Bangalore past 15 days since we were traveling. Floods and whatnot. At least we are not welcomed with rains. We have a pretty clear sky plus one large cloud which is looming over. It's so nice to be back in Namma Bengaluru, our city. After so long, the cold breeze of Namma Bengaluru welcomes us, giving us the AC feel. What I've been waiting for from a long time. We've been through some rough and tough extreme weathers, very cold in the Himalayas to very hot. Delhi, Chandigarh and central India. Rajasthan also. Punjab, Rajasthan. So overall, a lot of memories, experiences we've got back. It's so good to be back after a long time to our city. I mean, we're still at Chikballapur, but it almost feels like Bangalore. So if you like the entire series of Zanskar Calling, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, look forward to seeing you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. That is what encourages us and motivates us to do more videos. Oh my god, look at the dark clouds. Better get home soon. So that's it from this entire series of Zanskar Calling, Himalayas Calling and everything. Was super fun making all the videos. Hope you had as much fun watching it. Looking forward to more such trips on a longer basis. That's where we really get time to explore and showcase new things and new places. Well, here is the Chikballapur, one of the lakes in Chikballapur, where you'll find the glass house submerged in the lake. Been wanting to do this drone shot from a long time, probably very soon. Hope to see you all again in my upcoming vlogs. Until then, it's sayonara, ciao, adios and goodbye.